Hello, Austin County, and welcome to Studio Craftin. We are going to make an Easter bunny out of dollar store items. So the first thing we have is the 2 bowls. Now, when I originally saw this, it was done with a smaller set of bowls, but because I like to go big or go home, I decided to do it with a little bit larger ones. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you kind of the finished product, and then we'll go through the process. But basically what you have is this is the bunny's body. And I'm going to lean over here. This is going to be his head when we're all through. So this is a great way to give a very unique Easter gift. So you take your bowl, plain and simple, pull the stickers off the bottom, which I've already done. And then you're going to take your grass, whatever kind you have. Now, I like fancy and frilly. So I'm going with some give me trouble fancy frilly grass. If this happens to you, pair of scissors are your friend. And you just nip it off right like that. And you have your grass. Now, if you have little ones, I don't think I would have this kind of grass, or I would keep an eye on them because this is the kind of stuff that winds up down the throat and all that kind of stuff. So once you have this, you can fill it with anything you want. I'm going to do 2 different ones because you have those kids that can eat candy and those kids that the parents kind of want to watch how much they eat. So I just went to Walmart, Dollar Store, Dollar General, and just got the kind of candy that I like to put in here. I have to say, though, that the baked beans here, Boston baked beans, those are for my brother because he happens to like those. Those are some of his favorites. But again, I just had containers. I have some Happy Easter bunnies, some Reese's cups. I bought some larger things to fill it because it is rather large. Reese's, gum, suckers, any of that kind of stuff. I also bought larger items, your bunny cookie dough. So I'm just going to kind of stick it all in here. And you just arrange it the way you like. Now, I enjoy doing these very much because I always get a kick out of watching people's faces when they open it. And it's all full of good stuff. And like I said, I try to buy the things that people like. And you just fill it until you're happy. And you don't have to use it all. Some. This could also be given to a family. If you had, like several nieces and nephews, as long as they don't fight. You could put all their things in there and give it to them like that. Now, once you have it the way you like, and I'm going to stick this big bag of jelly beans in there just because everybody likes jelly beans. So once you have it the way you like, you have to make sure, of course, that it doesn't hang over the edge too much. And then you're going to put your lid on. Now, some say to hot glue it. I don't like that because I don't like the fact that it would be very difficult to get into. So I'm just going to use some nice clear tape right on the edges, just enough to hold it together because it's not really going to be handled. I mean, you're going to put it in the Easter basket, on the table, in the Easter nest, wherever you're putting it. And so it will stay together. So here's the base of your bunny. Then what you're going to do, I'm going to move this over, is you're going to go to the bunny's head. Now, this is where you can put the smaller things like little toys and things like that. And so for the top part, I have all my little toys. I have my stuffed Easter bunny. I have a little Pop-Tart looking toy. I have some little cars, just little Dollar Tree cars, because, the little boys like them and little girls love them too. My little nieces used to love to play with those. So you put your cars in there, and then you have bubbles. Everybody likes bubbles. Put 2, because Mom and Dad will want to blow bubbles as well. And then I found some little squishies. Got them in there. You don't want to be quite as heavy because it is the top of the rabbit. So we have them all in there. And again, with the tape, because I don't like the glue, it makes it difficult to get into. You just kind of line it up. It has some little ridges. And on the other side. All right, so now you basically have the bunny's body ready to go. And there it is. And it's filled with all your goodies. And it's lovely because it has all different colors in it. Now, for the face and the ears, I simply printed out a bunny face or bunny nose. And then some bunny eyes. Room this way so you can see them. And for the ears, rather than using cardstock, kind of can't see me here. You use a bunny headband from, this one is from Dollar Tree. And that's going to be your bunny's ears. Now, if you want to put a fluffy tail on the back, you can. I didn't bother with it because I think it's cute the way it is. So this is the way you put it together. Now, we're going to take a quick break because I don't like using hot glue on camera because it never works right. So we're going to take a quick break. When we come back, I will have the bunny completely done and you'll be ready for Easter.
Trying to get your business online, but the tech keeps getting in the way? Let Austin County Media help. From the team behind Austin County News Online, we help your business grow without the tech headache. From websites to advertising, social media to video, we provide the digital services local businesses need to stand out. Call 979-253-0169 or visit austincountymedia.com.
All right, and we're back. We have our completed bunny, and you'll notice that he has his ears, his eyes, and his nose. So he's all ready to be given to that person that you love. Very simple. Once again, it is 2 large bowls for the bottom, 2 smaller bowls for the top, a pair of bunny ears. These I just printed off the internet, and then goodies for inside. Very simple to do, and it kind of makes an impression, I do say, if you have kind of a cut glass looking bunny. So if you do your bunny, I would love to see pictures of it in the comments. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Until next time, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share our channel. And we'll see you crafting in the studio. Till next time, keep smiling.